Do you love your original Snuggie, but hate that it doesn't keep you warm enough? Tired of it falling off whenever you try to get up and walk around? Wish that it had storage for your remotes? Well, you don't have to tolerate the Snuggie anymore. Introducing the Woogie. It's heated. It fits better than the Snuggie, and it has a 3-level heater to keep you toasty on cold, damp nights. It also comes with 2 deep pockets for your remote, Xbox controller, snacks, beverages, loaf of bread, picture of some random couple, or anything else, and we mean anything else. The Velcro on the back keeps it on as you get up for another beer or cheer on the home team. And guys, you no longer need to take off your Woogie when nature calls. The flap makes it easier to use the bathroom. You get to relieve yourself and stay warm. It's the Woogie, the best product since the Snuggie. The Woogie! Order by calling the number shown. Supply is limited, so order yours today, before they're all gone. The original price was $19.99, but if you call in the next 5 minutes, it's only $16.99. And that's not all. Call today and get a second one for free. So call now and throw that old Snuggie away.
Day and night, I toss and turn, I keep stressing my mind. I look for peace, but see I don't attain.